The Yashica FX-D S300 is one of the most interesting cameras released recently, not because of raw power, but because of what it tries to be. This is a retro-style compact camera that blends digital photography with an old-school analog shooting experience. At first glance, it looks like a classic film camera from the 1970s, inspired by the legendary Yashica FX3. But this is not a film camera. It is fully digital, designed to give you the feeling of shooting film without actually using film. The biggest highlight of this camera is its dual shooting experience. You can shoot like a normal digital camera or switch into a special film mode. In this mode, you use a physical film advance lever after every shot, just like old film cameras. This slows you down and makes photography feel more intentional. It's a very unique idea, especially in today's world where people take hundreds of photos instantly. In terms of specifications, the FX-D S300 comes with a 50-megapixel 156-inch sensor, a fixed 24 f1.8 lens, and supports 4K video at 30 FPS. It also includes features like a flip screen, Wi-Fi connectivity, USB-C charging, and even an external microphone input. Unlike earlier models, this version finally adds a working electronic viewfinder, which makes shooting more practical and enjoyable. The camera also includes multiple film simulation modes like Ruby 60s, Sapphire 70s, and classic black and white looks. These filters try to recreate the colors and tones of vintage film. It's fun to use and gives your photos a nostalgic vibe straight out of the camera. However, when it comes to actual performance, things start to fall apart. Despite the 50 MP claim, the image quality does not match expectations. Photos often look soft and lack detail, almost like they have been artificially upscaled. In fact, the best results come when shooting at lower resolutions like 12 MP, which is quite disappointing for a camera marketed as high resolution. The fixed lens also limits flexibility, and the digital zoom doesn't really help much. While the camera is fun to use, it doesn't compete well with modern smartphones or other cameras in the same price range. For serious photography, the image quality simply isn't strong enough. Build quality is another mixed area. While the design looks premium and nostalgic, some parts feel a bit plasticky. This makes the camera feel more like a stylish gadget rather than a professional tool. So who is this camera for? The Yashica FX-D S300 is not meant for professionals or people looking for the best image quality. Instead, it's for people who love the experience of photography. It's for those who enjoy slowing down, composing shots carefully, and embracing the imperfect, film-like aesthetic. In the end, the FX-D S300 is more about emotion than performance. It delivers a unique shooting experience that you won't find in most digital cameras today.